second question from our friend is, and the second question will be, please, does frozen French fries need kosher certificate?
Of course it needs kosher certificate, because you don't know what else did they add there. I think I heard from Rabbi in the French fries from McDonald's, they have 145 ingredients. You understand? Just in all of the oils, all the spices, this and that, in order to be the tastiest French fries, whatever that everybody craved, they had to add all the ingredients. So some of them, I guess, not kosher. So of course, this frozen, it's not just potatoes. First of all, they have to put some preservatives. So you don't know what preservatives. Maybe the pig fat. I don't know. So to make it tasty, that they put some things. Yeah. So absolutely not. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi. And I believe Rabbi Shlita also mentioned that some manufacturers will use the rectum of the raccoons, something like that, to give taste to.
Yeah.
That's very, very nasty.